So, the watch band has finally arrived. After a delay, they've showed up. All of these watch bands that I got from Amazon, and these feel much better than the other one I made a video on. And here they are. So here's the red, and I think this is blue, white, and black. Well, which one would fit the rose? I think this is rose. I'm just gonna say rose gold because it looks gold. It looks gold enough to me. Anyway, they feel great. At least holes for you to vent out, so it won't get trapped. Let your arms breathe in while you squeeze something around your arms or wrist. So let's put this on. I'm gonna pick the red, and the red goes in like that. Put these to the side. It has a nice cool color to it too. And it goes like that. Now you can have a look-alike Nike watch band for very cheap. And goes in like this. Always a struggle to put this on, I'll tell you that. It's not my favorite part, but there you go. And that's how it looks. You can also adjust it to, let's say it's too tight, put it to a smaller one, and it fits in just nicely. So if you like this short little video, why don't you hit that subscribe button and tell me what colors you like in this little array right here we have. I'm not going to make a video on all of these watches because they're just the same, so that'll just be inconvenient and just not great. So, yep, here it is. This is the watch band. I got this off Amazon for, let's say, around 15 bucks. Not bad for that price. So, yeah. Why don't you subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.